my friends! I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you've found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. If you ever find yourself in need of a super quick vocal warm-up, these exercises are for you. By way of quick explanation, the warm-ups that follow will help prepare you for singing as quickly as possible. I will go through the exercises with minimal talking. It is always a good use of time to take a moment, no matter how brief, to check in with alignment and breathing, and release any tension that you don't need. Let's start with some free-form lip trills. Feel free to follow me or go in your own direction. Let's move on to an E-A exercise. We'll double it up. It sounds like this. E-A, E-A. Here we go. E-A, E-A. E-A, Now let's sing on a zh sound. We can sing and go. When I'm warming up quickly, I like to use a lot of semi-occluded exercises. So let's move back to a lip trill and we can sing the following pattern. And go. now from a more efficient hm to an E vowel, let's sing the following arpeggio. Your turn. Let's take a few moments now for some free-form open sirens and glides. Moving now into a few different vowels, we'll sing on mi, me, ma, mo, mu on the following pattern. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu, and go. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. 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 Check in again with your alignment and breathing and make sure that we haven't introduced too much excess tension. A little bit of attention to technique will go a long way. Finally, let's launch into a wider range on the words I sigh to sing. We can sing on the following pattern. I sigh to sing. Here we go. I sigh to sing. 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 And let's give one relaxed glide from the top down on a yawn sigh. I hope you're feeling warmed up and ready to sing. If you want a more complete vocal warm-up, I have plenty to choose from. I hope you'll sing a little every day, and I will see you next time. All right, buddy, you gotta be on or off camera? Because I'm gonna have to put you down. Yep, that's cool. I guess off.